Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. We closed at 329.49, down $1.16, 0.35%, post-market down by 9 cents. So let's take a look at how these numbers fit with our current patterns. So downward resistance, downward channel, bearish channel, these are all synonyms. Are we inside of outside of our downward channel? On Friday, last Friday, right here, we were right smack on the line, and today we are pretty much right smack on the line. So I cannot call that we are outside of our downward channel. I cannot call it, but if we look at the candle itself, we still made a higher high and we made a higher low. So overall, this is better. Do we have stochastic over 60 on the daily chart? The answer is no. Stochastic is at 57. We have DMI though. DMI is good, so we are happy about that. We need stochastic for any move up in the stock market. Stochastic needs to be over 60, a 21-day stochastic. Okay, so and this is what we need. The other thing that we need is that we need to break and close above 335.73. This is a resistance that came into play on June 11th, right here. Cannot close above that one, except for just a couple of days right here as a fluke. But right now, we crossed it during the day, but we did not close above. We need to close above that. And also preferably, but it's not a requirement, we have a bullish channel right here. So it would be nice to break above this bullish channel. So this is where we want to be. This is where we want to be, and nobody knows. We could be there tomorrow. We could be there sometimes next week, but it would be really nice to be there. Also, let's not forget that we have the earnings call on Wednesday. So Wednesday afternoon at around 5-ish, we are going to hear the earnings call for Tesla, and this is where Elon can knock it out of the park. Most likely, the financials won't be super good, but it's the potential outlook that could be super good. Even if earnings are not good, like they were on April 22nd, they were not good, the stock still went from 228 to 360. So, it's not about the earnings, it's about the future outlook of the company. So this is what is important. So depending on how Elon spins his stuff, we could still see a move up. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to see if we cannot understand something else. So basically, this was a sideways day today. Sideways day. So on the 1-hour chart, we have an additional resistance at 331.40, and on top of the one that we have also on the daily chart at 335.73. Neither of those have been closed above today. We are really range bound. Look at this. Really range bound, very tight, moving sideways. Not much we can do here. Even going on the 5-minute chart, it's really hard to trade this. This is going sideways. It's not doing much. Let's just be patient. We are in no hurry to put our money behind this. You can jump the gun if you want. That's fine, but I am here to give you high probability trades. So far, there are none. Let's take a look at the rest of the market and also Bitcoin. VIX up a little bit. We are up 0.24. If I take a look at the 1-hour chart, this is perfectly fine. We are still at the bottom part of our congestion zone. So this is nice. VIX at 16 is great. Let's take a look at the bonds, the 20-year bonds and the 10-year bonds. We like them to be low. So decent day today, minus 1%. We love this for the 20-year and 0.95% for the 10-year. This is fantastic. If this continues, stock market is also going to continue. Let's take a look at Dow Jones before Bitcoin. So Dow Jones, very stable, above 21-day moving average. We have stochastic, so any move up we are going to believe because we have stochastic over 60. DMI is there. Our new indicator also is there. This is fantastic. SPX, everything is all good too. We are hugging this resistance. We could be hugging it for a while. This is great. NASDAQ also, everything is all great. Russell going sideways. We are still above the 21-day moving average. We still have stochastic over 60. All of our indicators are still great. Let's now take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is very stable. We have stochastic over 60. So any move up, any further move up we have with Bitcoin, we are going to believe. We have the MI, we have our new indicator above the 21-day moving average. The overboughtness. So Bitcoin was overbought not too long ago. July 12, 13, 14, it was overbought. Now we are no longer overbought. This is a good sign. We have support at 115,206. So if we go down to 116,206, we are not going to be afraid. This is par for the course. This is what is supposed to happen. We are supposed to go back to support. And we have this bullish channel support right here. Bullish channel support. And it would be best, in fact, if we slowly go every single day, one candle every day. We need to go. It would be nice to go there and then bounce on this. So that would give us a bigger bounce than if we bounce right here. But we'll see what is going to happen, and we are going to be satisfied with any move up that we have. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is right here inside this big, huge, symmetrical triangle. This is where we are bouncing into it. So now we are getting close to resistance right here at 3,900. So we could be expecting a little bit of a move down, or at least a slowing down until the 21-day moving average catches up to it, because we have been going super high, super fast. So there's some catching up that needs to happen, and it could be happening soon at 39.60 or at 4,100. So either of these scenarios would be perfectly normal. So if you entered recently, you could prepare yourself to be taking some profit soon. This is what this means. When we get to resistance, it's not a bad idea to start thinking about taking profit, because we could be coming down. And I am saying this because this is what we have done in the past. We are coming down when we are getting close to that resistance right here. And in this case, we have another one a little bit lower. So prepare to take profit on Ethereum. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.